hint of a way swing, but Habibullah just caressed it through that cover point region. First four of the innings.
Captain Habibullah off strike with an exquisite shot. He has been a very good batter in the domestic circuit. An average of 43 with 19 matches with a strike rate of 91. Opening the face of the bat, just leaning into the shot. Brilliant timing there.
And of the faster bowlers with pace on the ball. Usually it's a lot easier to time the ball when there's pace on. Edged just past the fielder in that slip cordon.
Ali Ishaq off the mark with the boundary as well. Not the one he would have liked. But yet again, it's 4 runs for the team, for him. Playing away from his body, got lucky that it didn't go to the first slip. Boundary to finish the over after 1, 9 for naught.
Gets it through. Didn't time it all that well. It'll just be pulled back. Umpires may just want to check to ensure that it was a clean save.
Mohammad Shoaib erring with the length, it was too full. And then the fielders, they were both running, one sliding. And I think he did all right. Saved 1 run for the team, definitely.
Well, clearly not short of enthusiasm and energy. And that is exactly what we've seen in the previous 2 matches. And there is another one.
Seemed like the keeper was suggesting it was going down the leg, and he was spot on. And so was the umpire. It also pitched outside leg, going down. Good decision by the keeper and the umpire.
Missed everything. Good pace on this delivery. Went past the batter and the wicketkeeper. 4 byes.
Some serious pace there. It says 128, but it definitely looked way faster than that. Bringing in into the left-hander. That angle he created, no chance for the keeper. Now he's the bowling coach of Mardan Warriors.
Short ball. But Ishaq was ready for it. Got a lot of bat on this one and gets 4.
He was getting such a good swing from the fuller length delivery. Tried the short pitch delivery, but Ishaq was too good.
And he's bowled him. So after the short pitch delivery, Ismail has gone for the fuller one. And to the surprise of Ishaq.
The kind of angle he can create from the fuller length. Why go short? Just look at that. That angle, that swing. Excellent delivery there. And Ishaq trying to go for another boundary. Big. Trying to play that big cover drive, but the ball was coming in. Excellent wicket there. And Ishaq has to walk back for 8. Rawalpindi Raiders 21 for 1.
Just beats the fielder in that deep third. That's a welcome boundary for this Raiders team.
Brilliant timing there. He's off the mark with beautiful time shot. Just look at that. Just timed it. Rolled the wrists over to keep it down. Exquisite timing there, 4 runs. And that's where Ismail has to be careful. The moment he goes short, it's easier to hit him.
Worked away onside. Couple of runs.
And that's the wicket. Beautiful delivery. What you really want as a seam bowler. Rattling the stumps. Taking the off stump after you have been hit for a 4. Giving your team the breakthrough and good celebrations as well.
It's close, that's given. Looked straight. It was a full pitch delivery. Whether or not there was any bat.
He moved across the stumps and missed a straight delivery. No chance for him, I think so. He has been given out. The decision might stay like that.
It struck in line and would have gone on. Yep. Just reconfirming his initial decision, the umpire. Wicket off the first ball of the over and then follows it up. There is swing just short.
Indecisiveness, whether to play with soft hands, hard hands, good to go forward. Excellent bowling, good energy in the field.
Edged. That's another one. It's all happening quickly here for the Sharks.
But couldn't bother the scorers with the bat. It was going away. Again, no feet movement there. Easy catch for the keeper. Smith has to depart for naught. So Shoaib gets another wicket. Rawalpindi 27 for 3.
Outside edge found again. Might have been a little bit of bat. Slapped through the offside.
Power play is the area where you need to put some kind of pressure on the opposition. Good use of feet. Good shot selection there, playing with the swing.
That's a bit of charge. He's trying to break the shackles there, but no connection. Thick edge. Just goes down to third. A single only. Power play comes to an end. 35 for 3.